lot of people hold back from jumping into real estate investing using creative finance because they think they need to know everything or that it's way too complicated. Whether you're brand new or not, I'll show you the 5 major ways to lock in your next deal and start building a steady stream of opportunity. So what are the 5 ways of finding deals? 1. Work for a real estate investment company. It gives you the support you need to do deals successfully and avoid typical mistakes that a beginner makes. Number 2, door knocking. The people you want to go door knock are either expired listings, houses that were on the market and didn't sell, or people in foreclosure. For foreclosures, you can find this by filtering on Zillow or your county website. And for expired listings, you can go to websites such as PropStream or Batch Leads where you could filter this information. Number 3, JV, also known as joint venture. JVing is partnering with someone. This allows you to do deals and make money without having to know everything. This is why it's important to JV with experienced investors. In fact, this is the best way to get started, by finding motivated sellers and partnering with experienced investors. Actually, I JV with people all the time. If you want to JV with me, fill out the link down below. Number 4, work backwards. Let me break that down for you. It's about networking. Go to your local real estate meetups, find buyers, understand what they're looking to buy, and go out and find those deals to sell to those buyers. Last one, becoming a connector. You look for any type of person in real estate investing, such as buyers, sellers, or people with money that want to invest into real estate. You want to learn what these people need and connect them and charge a connecting fee. Out of these 5, I think the easiest way to start is by JVing or becoming a connector. This will allow you to do your first deal the quickest. To lock up my first deal, I remember it being the hardest thing because I tried to do it by myself. For 5 months straight, I did not make $1 until I decided to partner with somebody. The next month, I was able to do my first deal, which made me $16,000. The point is, you can be successful from the beginning. All it takes is to commit to the steps I listed here. If you are looking for a partner with massive experience and success, comment the word JV down below. It's been amazing connecting with you. If you gained value from this video, make sure you smash the subscribe button, the like button, leave a comment down below, and let's grow, baby!